Guys, this is a very important message to everyone out there. Please stop calling me pregnant in the Discord group chat. It started as a joke, but now it's just turned into a meme. I didn't mean for it to go that far. I'm sorry. It wasn't my fault. I never see anyone calling me pregnant in the comments. I am going to lose my mind. Whoa. I'm so scared. This group chat had been calling me pregnant for no reason. Oh my god. That's right. If anyone calls me pregnant, I am going to kill someone in Among Us. So please, message up the story. Stop calling me pregnant!